Do you have a garden project that you've always wanted to do and never got the opportunity? Well, that's the position I was in, and now I've got the opportunity and I've been working on it all week. If you watched last week's episode, you will know that I have an old boat which we are turning into a garden pond which will be full of Australian native aquatic plants, frogs, hopefully, and fish, local native fish. And I'm going to take you through all that selection very soon, because this week we've finished the prep. So this week we decorated our pond to make it a true garden feature, to make it something that we're happy to look at every single day. And while my art skills don't allow me to make it the masterpiece that I saw in my head, I'm pretty happy with the result. Make sure you stay till the end to see the big reveal, and let's get into it. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see all of the plants and fish that are going to go into this pond to try to attract frogs and keep it mosquito free. I'm even trying to source an Australian native carnivorous aquatic plant that eats mosquito larvae. How cool is that? Anyway, today's episode's on the design and the painting and waterproofing, so let's get into it. So we're about to have the big reveal. Don't forget to pop into those comments and let me know what you think. That's a great way to support the channel, and it tells YouTube that more people want to see my videos, so I'd really appreciate it if you could pop a comment down in the comments, or simply like and subscribe. It's all free to you but makes a big difference to me. Next episode will be on starting to get the plants in, and if we get enough rain I will also be putting in some local native fish which I will share with you, that they are local native fish that will eat mosquito larvae and will not bother frogs. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's get into the reveal, and hopefully I'll see you next week.